For services and deliverables, you need to specify exactly what your services are. For example, you're doing some kind of an analysis, like a risk analysis, you're writing documentation, you're doing the training, so whatever you agree to do. And by the way, you can take a look at my lesson that speaks about packaging consulting services, and this is where you will see more examples on what you can actually offer to your clients. Now, it is equally important that you specify what is not included so that it's clear what the scope of the project is. So for example, if you're doing a security risk assessment, you can help a client identify the assets and then threats and vulnerabilities, but you cannot actually make decisions on the level of impact and likelihood. This is something that a client or perhaps asset owner needs to do. This is something the consultant cannot do on behalf of the client because, again, the company needs to make crucial decisions. It's not something that an outsider, meaning a consultant, can do. Also, you should specify very clearly if project management is part of the scope or not. And by the way, it's much better if project management is not part of your service, because if you're a consultant, it's going to be very hard for you to actually catch all the people in the company to do whatever they have to do. Again, you're external to the company. You don't know how the company works from the inside. It would be much better if a company has internal coordinator or project manager that will coordinate all of these activities within the project.